kill 'em all, kill 'em all, did die, did die, did die, did die. Kill 'em all, kill 'em all, kill 'em all, did die.
Yo, it's your boy Killa, back at you representing BROSKIFAMM, back at you representing Killa Garments. And what we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is chicken breast stuffed with prosciutto, feta cheese, and Jesus, I can't remember the name again. All right, I'm gonna do it again. It's chicken breast stuffed with feta cheese, baby spinach, and pesto with feta cheese, wrapped in good old juicy bacons. Yes, indeed. Let's see if I can do that one more time. All right, we got chicken breast stuffed with pesto, feta cheese, baby spinach, wrapped in good old juicy bacons. It's your boy Killa. I'm gonna insert them before pictures and all that. Let y'all see how the process went. My wife, the wonderful and gracious Lele, did her thing as usual. We don't just go out and spend money on good food. We eat it at home mostly. Y'all have a wonderful night and weekend. It's your boy Killa for BROSKIFAMM, representing Killa Garments. Bang bang. Oh.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Told you a long time ago, you fucking